Hello, this is Dr. Girish Nelivigi, Urologist and Andrologist from Nelivigi Multispeciality and Urology Hospital, Bengaluru. One of the commonest complaints that patients come to me in the OPD is frequent urination in the night. This is especially seen in elderly males. They often get up 3 times, 4 times or more in the night time, and that disturbs their sleep. When they get back to sleep, either they can't get sleep or the sleep is of poor quality, as a result of which they are fatigued in the daytime. What are the causes of increased frequency of urine in the night? As I said, this afflicts the elderly males, and the common cause in such people is enlargement of the prostate. So once they come to me, I do carry out some tests, but more importantly, the question answer session is important to isolate the cause of this problem, and it is treated. There are other causes also when people get up often in the night time. They are, for example, insomnia. Here the people don't get up but they don't sleep at all, which makes them go to the toilet very often. Or there could be some underlying systemic or generalized problems like heart problem or obstructive sleep apnea, which causes them to get up frequently in the night time and go to pass urine. Also, excess intake of water or fluids in the night, or the intake of some drugs like diuretics, which are commonly used as anti-hypertensives, also causes increased frequency of urine in the night. So it is a common problem. It has to be evaluated and treatment has to be given depending on the cause.